Hey guys, it's me again, Katie. I'll reintroduce myself just in case we have to do that. Today I am going to teach you how to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich and also pack a lunch. So I think that should take up the whole time. I'm not quite sure. But I'll review all of the things that you'll need to make this. So 2 pieces of bread. You're going to need your peanut butter. I like to use the Jif Natural. Your jelly. And then you're going to need a knife, and if you want to get exact measurements, a measuring spoon. Also, just because I don't want to make crumbs on the counter, I'm going to use a paper plate to do all of this on. What you'll need to pack it in is your Ziploc bag. And then I'm just going to add a few snacks. So I have an apple, I have hummus, and then with my hummus I always like to have carrots. So I'll need to get another Ziploc bag, but I'll put in some carrots. A banana, which I can cut up also and put on my sandwich, and then just a Hawaiian little water pouch just for flavoring. So first I'm going to take 1 slice of bread and I am going to open the peanut butter jar. I don't think I'm really going to measure this out because I like a lot more jelly than I do peanut butter. So what you're going to do is take the amount of peanut butter that you like and you're going to put it on a knife and then spread it over the piece of bread, which I'm not even using the plate that I brought out, which I should be. So once you have all of the peanut butter that you want, you're going to take the knife, and since I don't really like to mix the knives in the containers, I'm going to actually put this one in the sink. And then I'm going to go ahead and get another knife, and I'm going to open the jelly jar. Like I said, I like a lot more jelly than I do peanut butter, so I'm just going to tip the jelly jar over the piece of bread and just put as much jelly as I want on there. Then I'm going to set that aside. And then what you're going to do is spread the jelly over the peanut butter, or it depends. Some people might like to put the jelly on the separate piece of bread, but I like to put it right over the peanut butter. So my sandwich is going to look like this. I'll do a little close-up. And then after that, I'm going to take the knife that I used for the jelly and just kind of put the excess jelly back into the jar and put this knife. Actually, I'm going to keep this knife. So I'm going to take the other piece of bread that I have nothing on and place it right over the top of the peanut butter and the jelly. And since I like the crust cut off, I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. I'm just going to make sure that I don't cut the whole sandwich off. I'm not a big crust person. And some people actually might even use a cookie cutter instead of using a knife just so they get a nice clean cut, but I don't have one of those, so I'm not going to use that. Let's see here. And then, for a snack, if you wanted to, while you're making your peanut butter and jelly, if you really do like the crust, you can always eat those now. And let's see here. I'm making a mess. Okay. So after all of the crust is cut off, I have my crustless peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Maybe I want to wash my hands before I go ahead and touch the bag and touch all of the other stuff. So I'll go ahead and do that. So now I have my Ziploc bag, and I'm going to take the crustless peanut butter and jelly and place it in there. Try not to make a mess. So I have one thing done out of my lunch, and I'm going to go ahead and put it in my lunchbox. Oh shoot, forgot to cut the banana. So what I can do is, if you want the banana on the sandwich or if you want the banana on the side, it's up to you. What I usually do is I don't like the banana on the sandwich, so I will go ahead and peel the banana and then just use the same paper plate and just cut the banana into small pieces. Since I'm going to go ahead and take this for lunch tomorrow, so the banana won't really rot or get all mushy and gross. So it's kind of like a little quick snack that you have. And of course, I'm going to need more, let's see, Ziploc bag. So you're going to take your banana pieces, I like to cut mine about this big, and then put them in the bag. Let's see here. Okay. And then after you have all your banana pieces in the bag, go ahead and close up the Ziploc bag and place your snack in your lunchbox. And then just go ahead. I mean, it's great to have this plate because you can pile all of your excess garbage right on it so it's not all over the place. Once you're done doing that, you're going to want to recap the lid to the peanut butter. And you're also going to want to recap the lid to the jelly. And then, some people like to wash their fruit, some people don't. But I'm going to go ahead and wash this apple just so I know that it's clean. Then I'm going to dry it off just to make sure it doesn't get all of the other stuff in my lunchbox all wet. And put that in my lunch. The next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and pull my carrots out. Open those up and then place those in a Ziploc bag as well. And I also have my hummus that I'm going to go ahead and place in my lunchbox just so I don't forget it in my juicy pack. So let me grab another Ziploc bag. I guess to prepare you probably want to have your Ziploc bag out so you don't have to keep walking back and forth to the drawer. But I didn't do that. So I think that's about as many carrots as I want. Have my carrots in my bag and I'll put those in my lunchbox. And that is how to pack a lunch and make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. I hope you all enjoyed.